Thanks to the introduction of macOS 15.1 beta, Apple Intelligence has finally arrived. Whether it's creating custom emojis, removing objects from photos, or writing an email, the Apple Intelligence has got you fully covered. In this hands-on guide, I'm going to show you how to get Apple Intelligence in macOS Sequoia 15.1 beta outside US on your Mac. That said, let's get started. Bear in mind that Apple Intelligence requires A17 Pro and higher and Apple M series chips to ensure that you have a compatible Mac with the Apple's M series chip. Besides, make sure to fully back up your device before moving any further. After that, you have to open the System Settings app on your Mac. Then select Apple Intelligence and Siri option in the sidebar. And then you have to click on the drop-down menu next to Language and choose US English. Yeah, you got that right. As of now, Apple Intelligence supports only US English. And once you have changed the language on your Mac, click on the Join Apple Intelligence waitlist at the top and confirm the action. Now you'll have to wait for some time until the Apple Intelligence is available for you. And once it is available, you'll get a notification to set it up. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily get Apple Intelligence in macOS 15 Sequoia or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.